If you're watching this video, you already know what this is. This is a 2020 Nissan Rogue SL. Looks really good with those nice large wheels, white pearl paint there. And it's got the tan leather interior inside. You know, an SL trim package is going to have all the luxury features. You see the power seats, nice large screen, all the buttons on the steering wheel, 121,000 miles. This is powered by, of course, a 4-cylinder. It is front-wheel drive, which gets it 33 miles to the gallon on the highway. Really amazing for such a nice size SUV here. You see there's all the shifter, all the buttons, there's the heated seat controls. Navigation, of course, built in too. And even a 360 camera. In the back seat, you can see that middle seat flips down for armrests. It's kind of nice, gives you a little bit of feel of captain's chairs whenever you got some separation from your passenger in the back. And then it's got a decent amount of storage in the back. Love the embroidery on that. It looks really nice too. Come check this thing out, Next Level in Hillsboro.